How do I create a Power Query? Starting with, what is a Power Query? It is functionality in Excel that allows you to import, transform, and connect data from a variety of sources, with the objective of being able to view it in one sheet. All of this without using XLOOKUPs. Let's look at the end result before we demonstrate how to get there. Information from the following sources are displayed in one sheet: animals and countries, animals, and countries. The first step is to get the data, in our case using data, get data, from file, from Excel workbook. Locate the Excel file name and then select the relevant sheet. Select Transform Data to enhance the extract. We now select the appropriate column heading via Home. Use first row as headers. During each of these transformation steps, watch the applied steps on the right-hand side that log the instructions. The next step is to remove all the columns that are not required in the Power Query. Right-click, Remove Columns. We then remove the empty rows via Animal, Filter, Remove Empty. Finally, we check and/or change the data type to confirm that the transformation has occurred correctly. Animal, Food Source, and Food Pref is data type text. Weight is decimal number. No changes required. The advantage of the Power Query is that the source data can be enhanced repeatedly by the same transformation steps after only specifying them once. Once we are happy with the data results, we select, close and load, and name the sheet. We also name the table. No spaces are allowed. We now repeat the same with the sheet's countries and animals in countries. If you created a diagram of how the objects connect, this is a good time to refer to it. We can now see our Power Query tables via Data, Get Data, Launch Power Query Editor. Animals, countries, animals in countries. Next, we create a join between these tables. In Power Query, this is called merge. Determine the table which should show all the records, in this case animals in countries, versus those that have matching records, that is, animals or countries. Select the table with all records, which is animals in countries. Merge queries. Then the table with the matching records at the bottom. Select the fields that need to be joined. This means that all the records from animals in countries are considered and the matching entries in animals are retrieved. This is a left outer join, all from the first, matching from the second, and press OK. In order to see the matching fields in the animals table, press Expand. Now do the same for countries. Review the resulting data, and if you are happy, close and load. This will expand the data from the anchor fields in the worksheet PQ Animals in Countries. The main data now shows all the data with clear indication of the source table, for example, animals versus countries. The relevant queries can be seen via Data, Queries and Connections, Queries. The details of the generated code for this Power Query can be seen via Data, Get Data, Launch Power Query Editor, and Advanced Editor. In summary, a Power Query can be created simply in Excel via Get Data, Transform, and Close and Load for all data sources. Merge creates a join between these tables, and Extract shows all the required information on the same sheet.